In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become an all-star host on Turo in 2025 with this step-by-step guide. We'll go over everything you need to know to reach and maintain that coveted all-star status so you can enjoy all the perks that come with it. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, to earn and keep your all-star host status, you need to meet the 2025 qualification metrics. This means achieving and maintaining at least an 85% 5-star rating on your completed trips. Having happy customers really matters, and Turo hosts with stellar ratings stand out. Additionally, you'll need to complete over 20 trips or at least 10 if you're a power host. A lower cancellation rate of 3% or less for host-initiated cancellations is also crucial. This ensures reliability, which is key for maintaining a good reputation. Moreover, you'll need to maintain an 80% or higher vehicle maintenance rate. So keeping your car in top shape and available for bookings is very important. Don't overlook cleanliness either. An 80% or above cleanliness score from guest reviews is necessary to meet Turo's standards. Finally, ensure that your account remains in good standing with no policy violations or disputes. Turo reviews these metrics quarterly in January, April, July, and October, so it's essential to stay vigilant. Checking your progress is the next step. Begin by opening the Turo app or visiting turo.com/host. From there, tap on Host Tools and navigate to your performance dashboard. This will give you a good look at where you stand with the All-Star qualifications. Keep an eye on that progress bar to know just how close you are to qualifying. Focusing on providing a 5-star guest experience is crucial too. Make sure your car is consistently clean and well maintained, and prioritize quick communication both before and during trips. Being flexible and polite goes a long way in providing excellent customer service. Consider offering extras like prepaid fuel or car seats, which can add value to your guest experience. To maintain a low cancellation rate, only cancel reservations when it's absolutely necessary. Keep your calendar updated regularly to avoid any double bookings, which can lead to cancellations. If you find yourself in a situation where you must cancel, reach out to Turo support for assistance. This can help you avoid penalties, ensuring your track record stays clean. Keeping your vehicle dependable involves staying on top of regular maintenance and performing safety checks. Update your listings with current photos and precise descriptions, and document each trip using check-in and check-out photos in the app. This not only enhances guest confidence, but also protects you in case of disputes. Remember, Turo conducts automatic reviews of your metrics every 3 months. If you meet the criteria, you'll earn the All-Star badge on your profile and listings for the next quarter, signaling to potential renters your dedication and reliability. Finally, enjoy the benefits that come with your All-Star status. You'll get priority placement in search results, which can lead to more bookings. You'll also have exclusive support access and receive faster payments after trips. Plus, increased trust from guests can significantly boost your engagement and success on the platform. By diligently following these steps, you'll be on your way to achieving and maintaining the All-Star host status on Turo. Happy hosting!